Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. And I was live on my Instagram. You guys asked me to do few vlogs. So here it is, my weekend vlog. If you think this is going to be interesting, then keep on watching. So guys, this is the hot lemon and ginger water I drink every morning. It's 6 o'clock and we are heading for a shopping. म्हणजे जास्त काही शॉपिंग करायची नाही बट स्टील कलेक्शन कसं आहे ते बघूया. 2-3 गोष्टी हव्याच. लेट्स गो. सो दिस इज द OTD and let's go to the shopping. So guys, I just got back from the shopping. I didn't shop a lot. I just got one stuff, that sweatshirt and few undergarments. The thing is that we cannot try there, and even we cannot return or exchange our stuff. So we have to select the sizes very carefully. So that sweatshirt I'll wash and then I'll show you guys tomorrow. So guys, it's 8:30 already and I have to work out like no matter what, because I have been eating a lot from past few days. My workout I won't show you because I just follow few YouTubers. Hey you guys, so this is 11:30 or 11:45 in the night and I just had a bath. Here to talk about this tool I got online. It's supposed to remove your blackheads and whiteheads. I saw this in one of the salons. They use it for like that cleanup procedure. So it, let's see if it removes or not. But before you apply this, you have to take steam so your pores will be open. So yeah, so I'm gonna use it. Let's see if it works or not. So I have lots of whiteheads and lots of blackheads on my nose. Okay, I think we have to use like this. Actually, I cannot see anything. I just have to see in the morning that my blackheads are reduced or not. But right now I cannot see anything. So I have little bit here and there also. So this is the night cream. As I said, I use this, and this meant for like normal to dry skin, and it is not for oily skin. It is quite oily, like you can see. I have just applied it and it is quite oily. So if you have oily skin type, you don't have to buy this, and if you have normal skin, you have to take just little bit and apply it, not much, so your skin will feel too much oily and you don't want this. And for eye cream, I again use this Biotic one, this Chotu, and this is for like, you have to use twice in a day, like in the morning and in the evening. So I just use in the night, and before makeup you can use under your eyes too. Very gentle, you have to massage all over your eyes. It's like really mandatory, it's really necessary to keep your under eye area like hydrated. So you can use this is pretty cheap. Again, this is for 199 rupees. So now we are gonna watch Netflix, and we are currently watching the originals, and we have almost finished season 1 and we are about to begin the season 2. So yeah. So guys, we are on season 2
in a colorful kingdom where music and art were celebrated. The king did not foresee having a child.
I had my breakfast and I'm sorry for my voice, but just got up. And the next thing is about that tool. That tool didn't work for me because I still can see some blackheads all over my nose. So I think I have to take more steam and then try again. And the next thing is I'll show you guys what I got yesterday. So guys, this is the sweatshirt. You can see the color is so pretty and even quality is good. It cost me like 499 rupees. Let's try, and I love the color. It's like still bluish powder blue color. It's so nice. Let's try this. So guys, this is how it looks. It's kind of oversized and still it is in size S. but it will look good on like black jeans or something maybe. So guys, I have to shoot for a brand now, and I'm not going to like apply too much of makeup because that brand is skincare brand, and I just going to get ready, like be presentable, and I have to shoot and click my own pictures. So let's see how it turned out. It's done. दुसरी लिपस्टिक आण बाबू. लाव लाव, तुला लाव तुला. By the way, that's my sister, and she's studying. Today is her paper, and so guys, I'm done shooting, and I thought I will able to click my own pictures, but at the end I couldn't do that. नहीं जमा मुझे. So I have to take help from my sister, and basically she is studying now, and it's her paper, final year paper. So we have to wrap it up like very quickly, but so guys, it's a lunch time, and today is Sankash Street, so we are having veg. This is the lunch for today. I am adding this protein to the curd, and this is double chocolate flavor. So it tastes so good with curd. So guys, I'm done with the lunch, and now I'm too freaking sleepy. I might take a nap for a while maybe, and also we are planning to go to the beach in the evening maybe. So let's see how it goes. So guys, I just got up, and we are heading to the beach. I'm going with my sister. So guys, this is my outfit for the day.
And this
And
is
yes.
my sister's outfit. We are twinning.
And mask.
So guys,
and-
we are twinning.
Having a coffee. Hey you guys, I hope you did enjoy this vlog, and if you did, then please do like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know in the comment section box below which all video you want me to film next. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Let's get into the video. Nah, sorry.